I'm going to make my healthy juice. This is beet. And this is carrots. And this is celery. Okay. Early, I already make one. So, but I'm gonna make more. See, this is the one I make. So, I'm gonna make more. Lagay ko na. Lock. Yeah. Kasi kung hindi tayo hindi tayo make a juice para sa sarili natin maging healthy. Kasi healthy ito, no? Ito na yung diet ko. Mag-diet tayo pag may time, ha? Okay. Sandali lang. Okay. I make one. Yay, yummy. Oh, diba? Nakamake ako ng one bottle. Ayan na, tumutulo na. Oh, the best. It's yummy. Nakadalawa na ako. 2 baso na. Okay. Now, I'm gonna make a beet. Now, itong beet naman. Ooh.